Toby Keith is an American singer and songwriter who was recently diagnosed with cancer. He was diagnosed with desmoplastic small round cell tumor, a rare type of cancer. Desmoplastic small round cell tumor is an aggressive and rare form of cancer that develops in soft tissues and organs such as the abdomen, pelvis, and chest. It is an especially rare form of cancer, often appearing in fewer than 0.01% of patients. This type of cancer is highly resistant to treatment because it is made up of cells that are resistant to chemotherapy and radiation. Desmoplastic small round cell tumor is a metastatic cancer, meaning it can spread quickly and become more difficult to treat than other types. Common symptoms of this condition include abdominal pain, weight loss, anemia, and fatigue. The cancer may also affect other organs, and it can cause additional symptoms such as pain in the lungs, headache, and fever. Treatment usually involves surgery to remove the tumor, as well as chemotherapy or radiation therapy. Unfortunately, desmoplastic small round cell tumor is difficult to treat because the cancer cells can spread rapidly to other parts of the body. Toby Keith has begun his cancer treatment, and his prognosis is hopeful. He is currently undergoing chemotherapy and radiation treatment in order to reduce the tumor so that it can be removed surgically. Toby Keith is also receiving supportive care to help him manage the side effects of the treatments. Toby Keith has also become an ambassador for cancer awareness, raising funds, and speaking out against the disease. He is dedicated to the cause, and his story has touched the lives of many who have experienced cancer. Toby Keith's determination and spirit have been an inspiration to cancer patients around the world, and his story is an example of hope and courage. Toby Keith is an example of how cancer can be fought and overcome. Toby Keith's journey with cancer has been difficult and challenging, but he is a strong, courageous individual who is determined to beat the disease. He is a role model for all cancer patients who are facing similar battles with this debilitating disease. Toby Keith's determination to beat his cancer is an inspiration to everyone who is following the same path. He is a living example that cancer can be beaten with hard work, dedication, and patience. For Toby Keith, cancer has not stopped him from living a fulfilling life. He is an advocate for early detection and prevention of cancer, and he hopes to raise awareness of this devastating disease. His example of courage and perseverance is a beacon of hope to all who have been affected by this terrible disease. Toby Keith's determination to beat his cancer is an inspiring story of courage and hope. He is fighting a battle no one should ever have to go through, and he hopes that his story will give others the courage and strength to fight their battles too.